Today we're going to show you how to transform this old, out of use children's trailer into a trailer to transport items. I'm Shelley and Sep's behind the camera. Hello. So let's start with taking everything apart. We want to attach this box to this frame using alu profiles. Here's just the base of the trailer. We're now going to take these different aluminium profiles, this one and this one. This one's going on the front. It will be attached here where these two screws are. It will be fixed into place, so then we can slot the box into position. And this one is going at the back and will be fixed in this position on here. We now want to be able to fix this box into place. To do that, we're going to use two pieces of metal that we're going to drill a hole left and right with a 6mm drill. They're going to go on here, and on the one side we're going to go in to screw it into position, and on the other side we're going to use this ball lock pin. This enables us that then we can open it up and remove the box from the back of the trailer. Our trailer's now finished. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in a couple of weeks' time. And I'm off for a picnic. Bye bye.